Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, market analyst at Jalotama Management. US data caused gold to change direction a few times yesterday, but after the dust settled, price is still hovering around the 1250 level. The ADP Non-Farms was better than expected and helped push stocks higher. Gold dropped momentarily, but generally the bulls stood firm, not allowing price to go lower than 1245. The weekly jobless claims was brought forward to yesterday because of the US Independence Day today, and the 5,000 decline in claims has built investor confidence as we approach the big US non-farms number tomorrow. The fact that gold is holding on to gains despite the positive jobs data yesterday does suggest the market may be ready to make a resolute recovery back above 1300. However, on the contrary, gold traders may just be waiting for the pinnacle of June's economic assessment in the form of the Department of Labour's non-farm payrolls tomorrow. Therefore, it might just be another matter of wait and see before the market makes its next move. Taking a look at the charts now, well, yesterday I mentioned that the indecision in the market is likely to remain until we are fed the jobs data this week, and it is clear that investors are waiting for the all-encompassing US non-farms on Friday before making the next move. This indecision can be illustrated by a triangle pattern forming on the 1 hour chart. So here is the 1 hour chart, and we can draw a triangle pattern like so. It's a case of line of best fit, but we can see generally a price, especially from this here to here, price has been increasingly trading in a narrow range. So we could see a breakout trade occur, but just be aware that price is already trading very close to the point of this triangle. It's trading very close to the apex, so we could get a false breakout before, especially considering that we are about 30 hours away from the US non-farms tomorrow. So if we do get a breakout, which is very likely, may have to adjust the triangle slightly, maybe to that, but it is likely we will get a breakout, but just adjust your triangle accordingly if needs be. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart, it is possible to make some profits by buying at support levels and selling at resistance to take advantage of the range-bound conditions in the market before the US non-farms. So let me just zoom in a little bit here. These are key support levels. We have 1245, 1243 and 1236 support levels, and we also have a standout resistance level at 1260. I'll just change this one to another color so it's it differentiates it. So yellow resistance, green support. Look to buy at green support because we can see that at 1245, 43 and 36 there is a sudden amount of buying, so these levels could receive a similar amount of buying again, and this yellow resistance line is 1260, keeps bouncing off this level or around this level, so look to sell around there. So it's likely just to stay within this range until tomorrow. So this is a way that you can at least make some profits in the meantime. The gold market is due to close early today because of the Independence Day, and it will close at 1800 GMT and reopen on the 5th of July at 1 AM GMT. The main economic event today is the ECB rate announcement and the press conference that begins at 12:45 GMT, and this could affect the gold market depending on Mario Draghi's rhetoric towards accommodative monetary policy, so be aware of that, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thanks very much for listening. Thank you.